Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. We're bringing you an exclusive story from the BQ Prime studios. What we're learning from our sources is that the Reserve Bank of India is currently working on Overdrive to set up the first self-regulatory organization for the fintech industry. Remember that earlier this month during the Global Fintech Fest, the Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das had said that he expected the industry to come up with a SRO, and by next year, when the next iteration of the Global Fintech Fest happens, that SRO should be active. Now, this was something that the governor had said. And following that, now we are seeing a lot of action within the RBI as well as the fintech industry to set up this SRO. What our sources are telling us is that the Payments Council of India, PCI, which is one of the oldest industry bodies that exists within the fintech ecosystem, has been working closely with the Reserve Bank of India to set up its first SRO, and an announcement could be likely within the next few weeks. What we also understand through public statements is that FACE, which is another industry body consisting of a few more fintech members, had already applied for a SRO license in January last year and is still currently waiting for the Reserve Bank of India to give its approval. Another industry body, DLAI, which is the Digital Lenders Association of India, that is also in talks with the RBI to apply for an SRO license. So there is a lot of action happening within this space. The idea behind setting up an SRO is to take away some of the regulatory burden from the Reserve Bank of India, because this SRO will be maintained by members within the fintech ecosystem. They can also address any issues that may come up during the system. It also helps as a viable forum to discuss any problems that the fintech industry may face in the future. This SRO, the proposed SRO, could have some kind of limited punitive powers, which can be used to address any offenders within the fintech ecosystem if somebody is not compliant with the rules set up by the SRO. Going ahead, we need to see how this comes up. Hopefully, by the end of this year, we will have some clarity on which SROs will be active within the fintech ecosystem and how they're able to control any of the issues that may arise in the system.